Alright, just a quick one. So today I've been cleaning and washing all these carriages that came all with this train set, and they're all just got a clean and a wipe over. That one still needs a bit. I can't get the muck out of that one, so that'll need a soak. But every other one of them's had a bit of a wash and a wipe and a clean and the dust off. There's a few bits on that one still. I can't get them spotless because some of them have got grime on them from God knows how long ago. Couple of guards vans, RSW guards van there, some fuel tankers, couple of carriages, some guards vans, some freight, wheat bix, Cadbury, fuel, couple of carriages and stuff. So yeah, and I scored two of these too. SeaWorld box and an ACL box. So they'll go on a carriage somewhere. And I've had this one for a while, but that's actually off a trailer, because you can see that's the back of the truck. So I don't know where that's going, but yep. So yeah, all in all, probably 2 hours worth of just with a paintbrush, bit of water, and some stubborn ones I've used a bit of soap and water. But all the wheels have been cleaned, checked all the couplings have been straightened, any that have been bent, whatever. So yeah, I'd say 2.5 hours, give or take. So fairly meticulous, but yeah, thanks you for watching.